Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a newly built 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home for sale. It is located in Ballards Valley, St. Elizabeth. It sits on zero point 0.2 acres of land. It perfectly combined modern living with the beauty of nature, featuring an open concept layout. The home offers an airy, spacious feel that enhances both relaxation and entertainment. The sleek kitchen and elegant bathrooms are finished to the highest standards, while the entire property is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. A secure garage provides convenient parking and large windows throughout the home, offering breathtaking views of both the majestic mountains and the glistening Caribbean Sea. Located in a tranquil and scenic area, this property is ideal for returning residents looking to reconnect with their roots or anyone seeking a peaceful retreat with easy access to nearby amenities. It also presents an excellent opportunity for families or investors. Whether you're searching for a forever home or a smart investment in one of Jamaica's most desirable regions, this stunning property offers the perfect blend of comfort, beauty, and convenience. Don't miss the chance to own this exceptional home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million, US 240.8 thousand, Canadian 344.7 thousand, Euro 221.2 thousand, or 187.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.